Have you ever dashed your belly? Guys, sorry for the wind in the background. I'm literally on my veranda and the breeze is going all. So I'm very sorry for that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Girl, look at the oh. So, as you guys can see from the title, I'm doing a Q&A today. Something a little bit different today. So, I asked you guys on Instagram and also on WhatsApp to send me some questions that you guys would like to know about me and stuff like that. And I got quite a few. So, let's get straight into the video. And oh, if you're wondering about this look, yeah, I did a video on it. So, just turn on your post notifications so when this video is posted, you guys would see. Keep posted, guys. Yeah. So I'm using my phone to video, so I just wrote the questions down in this book that I have here. So the first question is, what inspired you to start baking? Actually, I went to catering school to do cooking, culinary. Yeah, and in the course that I was doing, regular service of baking at the ending of the course, I was like, I feel more comfortable doing the baking than the cooking because the cooking is too hot. And girl, I can't take the heat, so the girl run from the kitchen, even though the oven is hot. But once you put it in, you're not going to take it out until the cake is done or when you're checking it. That's like about 25 minutes afterwards or something. So yeah, that really inspires me to start baking. I just get that one little class and I'm like, wow, this is really fun and I really enjoy doing it. So like every class that I normally have, after that I would like be at the top and I'm like, yeah, this is what girls should be doing. So you girl just, get certified in that afterwards. Next question. How old are you? I'm 24 years old. 24. What inspires you to start YouTube? Well, at this point, I wasn't working, I wasn't going to school or anything like that. I was just normally babysitting my cousins, stuff like that. And then I realized anytime I have any free time, the first thing I take on my phone, I'll just go on YouTube and I'll just watch your girl Petite, stuff like that, lyric, the whole makeup aspects and stuff like that. So, and I'm sitting there and I'm like, I'm here, I could do this, I just stay home and watch them fitness, I can just spare a little time, I just do a little video and post it, because girl have a little. Look at iPhone, they could do a little something, the quality never so bad them time there. Quality never so bad, and yeah, so I just started this here. Which makeup school did you attend? I went to the DeMarie Institute, the biggest and the baddest makeup school in Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah. So if you guys are interested to get certified as a makeup artist, they also do hairdressing and stuff like that. So yeah, DeMarie Institute at Paul's. Yeah, check it out. It's really good. They're really good there, honestly. Next question. Oh. How did you get so good at baking? How did I get so good at baking? Well, as I said, I went to the baking class. I went for about 3 months and I realized I was like always into it. If it's not perfect, I would literally cry or I would literally just start over. So it's just something that I love and I just constantly trying to do things to perfection. So by doing that and just always pleasing myself to know, you know, I want it to look good. I want customer to be pleased and stuff like that. So by attempting to do things, doing things out of my comfort zone, you know, trying new things and stuff like that, really helped me to design the cakes. Oh, I do it. Oh, where am I? Where am I? Were you always this artistic? Kinda. Kinda. In high school, I normally love visual art. I normally love the drawing and all that. I wasn't that good, but I was good, you know? They're in the middle. Not the middle. I'm not bad. I'm in an excellence, you know? But they're not the middle, girl. And all that. They really like the art for like drawing sometimes. I mean, I don't say that really. Yeah. I'm not the artistic, you know? Did you always know this is what you want to do? Hell no. Hell no. Growing up, I wanted to be an athlete. Girl can't run. Well, girl can't run again because girl won't get seasoned. But yeah, I wanted to be an athlete. And I wanted to be an accountant. Yeah. This right now, girl never have nothing in her mind. I'm so shy. Truth in me. Well, probably might not know much. But I'm shy here and there. Well, it's not that bad again. You know? Getting old and stuff like that, but why am I close to it? Yeah, girl shy to some extent. Which do you which do you like better, baking, makeup, or dancing? Stick 100 pin. Me can't really dance. I try to that. It's the dance with them. Want to see me? I don't. Try me. I try. So no, just bear with me there. Try me. I try. I'm just trying. I can't really dance. Them just teach me how to do all for 1-2 step, and girl just catch on for 1-2 step. But dance can do a little something, but maybe you can look at something might be good to you. So I don't know. I can dance a bit. Yeah. I would say baking and makeup is on the same level because I really love baking and I really love makeup. So I'll put those on top and on the same level. What motivates you to do makeup? As I said before, the YouTube video I was always watch Petite and Lyric and stuff like that. So they're measuring makeup. So that's my main reason why, you know, I'm doing makeup right now. Other than that, well, I just stick to my cake. Aha. By doing baking and decorating, does it make makeup easier for you? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It does. Because it's basically similar when it comes to decorating and makeup. You know, the shades and the stuff like that, blending and all of that. You know, you have to get the colors right to the frosting. You know, you have to take your time and pipe it. You have to be focused. You have to be nice and you have to be neat. So you want your cake to look neat and you want your face to look neat, right? Yeah. So you bake a cake and you bake your face. I'm gonna stop. 2 more questions. No. Well, let's worry the question here. Have you ever dashed your belly? Look for me and look for me. Check out the video. Look for me. Yeah, love. What you know about dash your belly? Yeah, woman. How old are you? How old are you? 99. Destiny, how old are you? You're 7. What you know about dash your belly? Have you ever dashed your belly? Hell no. Girl, don't dash your belly. What kind of question did you ask me? Jeez! Who inspired you to the makeup? Petite. Point back. She. Petite. Every day I get up more, she Petite. They need to say, are Petite are the only YouTuber, you know? I'm like, for now, well, yeah. Every day I get up Petite. Go work at about Petite. Come back over at about Petite. They used to just tired of me at about Petite. So yeah, Petite really inspired me to do makeup. I And she's really good, guys. She's really good. You can check her channel out. Petit Sue Divinity and she have a Petit Sue TV. Girl is bomb. Yeah. I don't have any more questions. Well, that's my last question. That's sad. Because it was, girl did I guess another groove and answer some more questions. So if you want a part 2 to this, you guys can DM me some questions on Instagram. My Instagram is natnat_nika. I'll put it in the description box below. And please to turn on your post notification bell. Why are you here and you haven't subscribed? So if you haven't, just click that subscribe button right now, please. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I'm not 100% pleased with the video that I did on this look because apparently the camera was a bit foggy and I didn't realize that. So I'm not sure if I want to post it. Well, this video is going up before that one. So if you guys want me to post this tutorial, just comment down below if I should or if I shouldn't. If you guys really want to see, So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.